we go to many events like this, but has really been a good one because we were very, very busy yesterday, and today seems to be the same.
We're here for the 2-day event, Floodex. We already have some customers based in this kind of area. The products we sell are a niche product, and it's something we decided we're going to try and have a look at this year. It's the first time we've done the event. It's been good for us yesterday, really busy day. Today, again, some good introductions, good customers, and a lot of interest in our products, so I feel it's gone very well for us, to be honest.
It's been a really good show. It's been a really good 2 days, and we'd like to think moving forward, looking ahead, we'll be supporting and continuing the relationship.
It's exactly our target audience, so after coming last year, being a really good show for us, it was a no-brainer to come back again this year. It's been good already today.
First time at the Floodex, been very, very good. The footfall has been excellent. I've met a lot of new colleagues, some new, some old, but been really pleased by the activity so far and really pleased to be here.
Quite new to the market. We're after quite specific people really in the industry, but we've really managed to draw those people in. So, for example, for us, we're really after the drainage engineers, and we've had a good turnout of those particular people to the stand.
We're looking to speak to a variety of different people or companies within the flood industry. We've done this many times before, not specifically at this event, but the people we've been speaking to so far are from local authorities, internal drainage boards, engineering practices and more. So far, it's been a very exciting event.
A whole host really, I suppose, of different potential clients. We've had drainage engineers from utilities companies, we've had private engineers, we've had local authority, flood guys, flood risk guys. So yeah, a really good selection.
It's been a good start to the exhibition. We do, as you can see from the posters here, we do CIPP lining of culverts. We rehabilitate worn out and damaged culverts, and the inquiries we got today from new customers, and it's good to see some of the old ones that we have as well.
I think we'll be coming back next year. It's been a very exciting show so far, decent footfall and some very interesting conversations. Tomorrow's looking to be an exciting day as well.
We would definitely look to come back again, obviously dealing with people like the Environment Agency, ADA, just a couple of people we deal with, rental companies, agricultural. It's a big plus for us to be here this year, and hopefully we'll be here again next year.
So I can see that next year will be positive for us, so yeah, we'll be back.